Boy Next Door viral official MV just came out. Be sure to check out the Dre Day channel. I'll be posting gaming videos over there. If you're into gaming, come through. We've been having a good time over there. Also, Twitch live streaming on twitch.tv/DreGaming. Go check it out. And follow the Discord if you haven't already. Link in the description. Without further ado, Boy Next Door viral official MV. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin.
Sorry, love you, hate this word.
You hate those words?
Maybe I still.
Oh, this is a lot sadder than I thought it was gonna be. You're my nicotine caffeine baby. Oh, damn. Oh, is that like a cigarette too? What, that blew up? Kinda, right? It's a I see. The guitar. Oh wow, look at. I wish you cry. Oh, the wall's being pushed. Oh. Wait. High turns to buy. Okay. Wait, man, I was about to take a sip of my drink, but this is giving me like second gen vibes too. What? Ooh, that turning? Hey. Damn. I'm gonna put a copyright on it. I know you're gonna put a copyright on this. I mean, every one of my videos get that. Hence why you should support my Twitch, subscribe to Dre Day, and support my Patreon. Anyways. Damn. I see. Nicotine is like obviously from cigarettes. You can get it from cigarettes, but it calms your stress. Ooh, that turn is dope. Ooh. That's fire, that's fire. Ooh. Bro, okay with the Spanish. What is he walking on? Oh, the top of the pipe. Or like the... Ooh. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. Oh. Oh, that little change up. Oh, no, no, no. It's going higher, higher, higher. Oh, with the guitar? Electric guitar? Bro, they keep on making me put my drink down. Ooh, the bass? Lonely.
Daddy, chill.
Whoa. Whoa. Oh, that was dramatic. I love that. Okay, KLZ Entertainment, Boy Next Door, viral. Put a comment down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Samuel ZIGI-ZIGI-ZIGI. Now, it's been a minute, Samuel. I've been watching Samuel since he was so young. My God, we even did a collab a long time ago, like in 2016, 2017. And, you know, sometimes we do keep in touch. It's dope to see him grow as an artist and as a person, actually. So just want to start off, I'm very proud of you, bro. Keep on doing you, and I can't wait to check this out right here. All right, ZIGI-ZIGI-ZIGI. Now, I kind of know what type of sound. He's trying to bring like K-pop and reggaeton. maybe Afro. Well, we're just gonna find out. But the way he looks, the dancers looking good. Him looking good as well. That boy tall as hell. Let's see it.
Ziggy, 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 I'm on it.
Ziggy, 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 I'm moaning. What?
Ziggy, 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 I'm on it. Ziggy, 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 I'm on it. Ziggy, 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 I'm on it.
Hey. Ooh.
Get in the vibe, yeah.
Hey. Hey.
I'm in that midnight, summer night heat. I'm feeling so fly, yeah.
Okay.
Baby, you rocking on my G's and get low.
Damn, boy.
Baby, you rocking on my G's and get low.
Rocking on my jeans and get low. Ooh.
Baby, yo estoy ardiendo.
Hey. Hey.
Te vayas a quemar. Todo rato lo siento. A mí me sigue.
Oh, the whole little body roll to it. Damn.
Estoy ardiendo. No te vayas a quemar.
Come on, Sam.
Ardiendo. Ziggy, 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 I'm on it. Ziggy, ziggy, ziggy,
Mmm.
ziggy, 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 I'm on it.
Come through with it. This is fire.
Ardiendo. Ziggy, 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 I'm on it.
Hey. Hey.
Ziggy, 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 I'm on it.
Ziggy, ziggy, ziggy.
Ziggy, 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 I'm on it.
Now you gotta get me in a feature though. Yo, it's JR eating all play.
I see the fire that's burning beneath. Follow my lead.
Follow your lead.
Lo veo en tus ojos.
He mixing up the languages.
Que te antojo. Súbete a mi moto, baby. Vamos a darle speed.
Bitch.
Too much looking at.
What he say? He said, oh, say he better come through.
Vamos a darle speed.
Vamos under la espie.
Too much looking at me. I like
Hey.
it like it.
Hey.
I like it
Hey.
like it.
Hey.
Too much looking at me.
Okay.
I like it
Hey.
like it.
Hey.
I like it
Hey.
like it.
Hey.
Feeding me the
Nah, that was a bad version.
Keep my body in motion. I got the flow big as the ocean.
Ooh, that was a fire shot. Hold on, let me go back.
I like it like it.
Hey, yo.
Feeding me the potion.
Bah.
Keep my body in motion.
Bah.
I got the flow big as the ocean. 냈다 다들 되겠다. 이제 냈다 다들
Hey,
되겠다.
hey,
이제
yeah.
냈다 다들 되겠다. Ardiendo.
That was fire. Literally.
Ziggy, 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 I'm on it.
Ziggy, 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 I'm. She say ziggy, 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 I'm moaning for real. Well, I'm not. I might be. My what?
Ardiendo, ardiendo. Ziggy, 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 I'm on it. Ziggy, 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 I'm on it. Ziggy, 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 I'm on it. Ardiendo, ardiendo.
Ooh. I like that it's a performance MV too. Like actually him, he could dance his ass off. I already know that. Ooh. I know it was lit filming this with all these dancers too. Nah, he killing it. Shout out to the dancers too though, for real. Hey, my boy. Hey, chill. You gonna kill people out here. Okay, well, there you have it, y'all. Ziggy, ziggy, ziggy. Oh, okay. Okay, videographer. He got that shit spinning. Put a comments down below what you guys think of Ziggy, Ziggy, Ziggy. I'm on it. What, boy, what did you say?
I'm on it. Ziggy, 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 I'm on it.
Has to be moaning. Samuelito in the building. Big up on the choreography too, bro. Shout out to all the dancers. Keep it going. This shit fire. Y'all, put the comments down below. Be sure to go support him, Samuelito. Got all the links in the description down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day. Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now.